Included components: bar, beverage storage, food storage organization, complete canning kits. This product is manufactured in China. Contoured, comfort grip handles can rest on pot rim. Elevates jars off of direct heat while hot water circulates freely around jars. Norpro food storage organization. Turn any stockpot into a canner. Ideal for small batches. Elevates jars off of direct heat. Hot water circulates freely around jars. Contoured, comfort grip handles can rest on pot rims. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for making cheesecake. I have 3 stainless steel stove-top pressure cookers, a Presto 4QT and 6QT, and a Fagor 10QT. However, I don't can stuff. Rather, I use this canning rack to make cheesecake in my 6QT pressure cooker. I use it along with the Wilton Excelle Elite 6x2-3/4 inch springform pan. I place all the ingredients in the springform pan, place the pan in this canning rack, it fits perfectly, and lower the rack in the pressure cooker. I do this because the first time I made cheesecake in my pressure cooker it was a real pain trying to get the pan out. Not anymore with this handy-dandy little canning rack. The handles make it a breeze to lift the cheesecake out from the pressure cooker without disrupting the cake itself. It's extremely sturdy, so, if you were to use it to can stuff, there would be no problem lifting the canned goods out. Those glass jars can get pretty heavy once filled with whatever you're canning, but this canning rack can take it. It's not going to buckle or fall apart. Like I said, it's sturdy. I wash it in the top rack of my dishwasher and have been doing this for the past I don't know how many years since I bought it, and have seen no signs of degradation whatsoever. Buy it with confidence.